Okay, guys, sorry, it did get cut off. I'm using this video recording thing, and it only gives you 30 minutes now, even though I'm paid. I paid for it. So, anyways, so this is part 2 of the demo because there was a lot to cover. Okay, so where was I? I think I was on talking about the birthday. I think I finished. Let me just make sure. So we had the birthday. For the born, you put it in the due date, so what year they were born, the date, and then this will pop up. You want to copy this and paste it here. And the reason is so that it shows up there, just to make it look pretty. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. We have the daily habits. You can change these, you can edit these just right on there. Just change the name of it. Open it up again, or you say edit and then change the name there, I guess. Or maybe you got to open it up and change it. I thought you could do it right there. Maybe not. So, where is it? Whoa, this is annoying. Okay. Open it up and right here, rename it. So you can change it to whatever you want. And this is the habits you do every single day. You can add more. If you add more, you want to just duplicate this, and then when you add it, name it right there. So this is just so it's counting them, so that over here, where's it? Yeah, daily habits, it knows how many. Boop, boop. Okay. Did I show this in part 1? So this is the list. I think I did. You're just saying new, and then you're doing the list template. I keep confusing these. No, you don't do list template. Sorry. I'm confusing the templates and the to-dos with the tags. But anyways, I'm really sorry about that. You're going to say new. Name it whatever list you want, and then you're going to give it the tag. So let's say a movie is I don't know. I always do these videos after a very long day, and then I can't think of anything. But let me just say movie. I think I have a tag for movies. My computer so freaking slow. Okay. And you can see it's a list. The tag I selected is a list. If it doesn't say list, make sure it does. You can also create a tag. Just make sure when you create it, you check the list box or use the list template. And then you can do the quantity down here if you want for your list, but movies, really, you don't need to because it's a movie. And then you can do a due date if there's like a certain day you want to watch it, but you also want to make sure that add to list is checked whenever you do these, if you want it to show up in here. Now you can make lists, and the reason why I put the add to list is so that you can make lists, but you don't necessarily want to see them in this view. But you can always go into movies to watch and you would see it there, whether you put add to list or not. However, if you're doing it from here, it's automatically going to check that add to list box. Okay. And then I believe it will show up down. Does it show up here? Oh no, it'll show up here if you put a due date for today. That's why groceries is there, because the due date is today. Okay. Okay, let's cover projects and goals. So projects and goals. We're going to click on goals. Should probably make this big. So goals is the parent, so that's going to be empty. So goals is the main one here, and then these are the sub items. You can create other sub items. Just make sure when you create a sub item and it's a goal that the parent is goal. So if I go into health, I'll show you for example. As you can see, goal is the parent item, and then you can make a sub item, which this one has lose weight. You can make several sub items too. This is not supposed to be showing like that. Let me hide those. Okay. So to add a new goal, see, I put directions and everything too. You'll say new, so health goal. What's another health goal? I don't know why I can't think of stuff right now. It's really bad. Another health goal is eat more fruit. We eat. No, that's stupid because that's more like a daily goal. I don't know. Run 5 miles. I'm just putting something in here. And if we wanted to show up in today, we could put the due date as today, but you put your due date there. Your sub tag, this is health. And then you have your sub tag 2, which we'll just put lose weight, but we can create another one if we want it to. Make sure whenever you enter in this that it has a parent tag of the same here. So health. Okay. Hopefully that's not too confusing. So you're just going to go new, the due date, and when the due date comes to today, it will show up in the today view. I'll show you. The sub tag 2, sub tag 1, and sub tag 2. And then make sure, like I said, that lose weight has that. Now, if this is empty, you're going to go and click on that and make sure that the parent tag to lose weight is health. And there you go. You can see it right there. And then you can even say, like, you could say it's done. So I think it should show up because we have it for today. It's going to show up in goals. Let's see if I move it over to done. It's going to say check mark. So that means it was completed today. So these show up for only the today's, the counts. Because this one is dated for today, that's why it shows up there. And that's how you do those. Let's go back to today. I hate how it does this. Did I put a menu in the goals? Did I put a menu in here? Oh, here's today. Let's go back to today. Now, I try to think of everything. There's always going to be little stuff. If you notice anything or you don't understand something, you can always email me at jcwtemplates@gmail.com. I've been using this for myself, but I have edited and fixed a lot on the one that I'm releasing on Gumroad. But yeah, okay. So as you can see, it shows up here because this is due today. And if we were to say, oh, it's still in progress, today I didn't do it yet, there's 0 of 1. Okay, so that's those. Okay, this isn't supposed to show up here. Why did this show up here? What the heck? Contains recurring challenges. That doesn't contain recurring challenges, does it? Hmm. The tag. All right, let me just say. Oh, I put goals on there. That's why. I don't know why. Okay, fix that. Okay, if you got this already and that was on there, I think maybe a couple people already got this for this video release. That's how you filter that. It's not supposed to say that because these goals are different than those goals. These are like big major goals, and these are just like little daily goals up here. So you can do like a little daily goal, like I don't know. Well, these drink water, drink protein, goals / challenges, like whatever you want to call them. The cool thing about this too is that you can, like I said, add a tag for anything. For the daily cards, you can implement any templates you have using relations and roll-ups. You can create daily logs, change the daily logs. You can really play around with this. If you're new to Notion, I don't know if I would recommend this template because this template is like, you'll probably have a million questions. You might want to get familiar with databases, relations, roll-ups, formulas before you attempt this. So I wouldn't recommend purchasing this unless you have some better understanding of Notion. Otherwise, you're just going to be really confused. So yeah, I mean, you could get it and maybe you'll learn a lot from it just from playing around with it. But I just want to let you know that it can be really confusing if you aren't familiar with Notion. And then we have the progress here. So, oh wait, that's the project. Progress here. Right here. And then if you go in the databases, you can see the whole thing. Trying to think what else. When you do a routine in here, when you do create something like walk, dog, brunch, dinner, the tag is going to be routine. So it will automatically show up in here. I mean, it will automatically show up in here and in here. And here's only going to be routines, and here is going to be anything that you put a time that isn't 12 a.m. and it's going to be routines. So this is be like your agenda, and then in here is your routines. Okay, so I have that, birthdays. Okay, let's go to the day planner. And like I said, you can really play around with this. You can have photos in here. You can have nothing in there. You just do, if you don't want any kind of thing there, you just go to layout, card preview, none. Oh yeah, there is a lot more. Okay, let's go over here. Let me show you the widgets. Oh no, did I already show the widgets? I think I did. What? These aren't, okay. Oh, it just hit 12 o'clock. I'm like, why is it saying that? Okay. Sorry. If you go to, you get overdue, upcoming this week, you have this nice little layout here. You can do your progress and your daily cards data here. You have this spread here. When is it? Okay. Your weekly board, so this should show everything for the whole week. Why is this only showing one? Ugh. This week is checked. Okay. Why is it only showing one day? Oh, it's Monday. That's why. It's just, I'm forgetting it just hit midnight and it's Monday. You also have this where you can hit this and then you can kind of plan out that way for the week if you want and then archive it. You could even say turn into text so you can see it right on this page and then archive it. Go ahead and delete that. Okay, so the week has just started. A new week just started, so I can't really show you that one. That's so annoying. It just hit midnight and a whole new week started. Let's go to this month. You can see the month card. Now, as you can see, it's saying the average weather for this month. Partly cloudy and sunny. And that's the reason why you can't change the way the spelling is on that. That makes sense. I hope it does. I hope I'm making sense. I do realize I will need to make a new demo video. I understand that. Okay, and then you have this year, which also it tells you for the whole year. I'm trying to think, like, did I cover everything? I think I did. It's a pretty, once you get used to how it works, it is a really simple template. You just wake up in the morning, you go to today, like I said, you do your daily logs. I usually do these 3 in the morning. Health stats, the period one is on health stats. So why is this one here? Okay, anyways, I have to do a few little things in here I gotta fix. I've just thought about, well, people are probably already starting to purchase this. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit a few little things. One of the things in here, like I said, these are ones I just created. You can create your own, but the tags in here, I don't think I put the tags in here because I didn't want it to, like, I put it in, okay, in this one, to when you first duplicate it for all of these just to show up. And do the counts and like confuse you. So take vitamins would be, that would be a habit tag, not a daily habit, but a habit tag, and so on and so forth. So I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm sure you will have a ton. I will try to make a better video sometime this week and make it all one video. That's all I have for today. Thank you. Have a great day.